That bank file is an FMOD Studio sound bank, compiled audio assets packaged for real-time playback in games and interactive applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you inspect, extract, or troubleshoot these game audio files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure BANK formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. BANK files are compiled sound bank archives created by FMOD Studio, a professional audio middleware platform for games. They contain compressed audio samples, event definitions, mixer configurations, and DSP effect chains used for real-time audio playback in game engines. FMOD BANK files use a proprietary binary format containing Vorbis or FADPCM compressed audio samples alongside event metadata, bus routing definitions, snapshot configurations, and parameter automation data. They are loaded by the FMOD runtime library in game applications. The BANK format was designed to be handled by FMOD Studio from Firelight Technologies. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows cannot parse game-specific formats, so handling these files requires engine tools. We are isolating the application issue. Right-click your BANK file and select Open With. Start with FMOD Studio if it's visible. If not, choose another program and check its ability to read the BANK format. If the BANK file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Given the primary failure, we need precision. Execute these 3 specific troubleshooting moves to identify why the BANK file won't cooperate. First, extracting audio. Use FMOD Bank tools or FMOD Extra Community tools to extract audio samples from bank files. These tools decompress the contained audio data and save individual sound files as WAV or OG format for inspection, editing, or modding purposes. Next, inspecting in FMOD Studio. Open FMOD Studio and use File then Import Bank to inspect the contents of a bank file. View the event hierarchy bus structure and audio sample references. FMOD Studio's built-in profiler can analyze bank loading performance and memory usage. Finally, game integration. FMOD bank files are loaded at runtime using the FMOD API in game engines including Unity and Unreal Engine. Ensure bank files are placed in the correct streaming assets directory. Use FMOD's bank loading API to load and unload sound banks dynamically based on game state. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.